how to change Google Chrome theme on Android mobile. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with some methods in order to do so. So you can follow out this step-by-step tutorial. First of all, we can head over to Chrome and access it up. We can open up our Chrome, and once we open it up, we can directly look out for the three dot option in the top right corner and tap on it. Once we tap on it, this menu pops up. From the given menu, we can select the option for settings and open it up. And once we access our settings, we can scroll down and go ahead and find advanced section with a theme option in it. So find theme and tap on it. After we tap on it here, we'll be finding two options. One is light and dark. So you can select any of the one that you prefer. For example, dark. Or if you want to select light, you can select light. Or if you want to set it as system default, you can select system default, and whatever your system default is right now, it will choose that. This is the method for now. If you're looking to change up your background like we do on Chrome desktop, it is currently not available for Android devices, so you cannot do it, but you can follow out this method to change up your theme into dark or light mode. You may tap on it for that. You just go over and look out for the option called display, and within display look out for the option called light and dark. You can choose that, and once we do so, the theme will be applied, and it will also be applied for your Chrome settings as well. You can just go over and do so. And that's it everybody. Those are probably the method if you want to change up your theme on your Android device for now for Chrome. So we hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and subscribe for more.